Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode right this cool amazing product right here in my hand, and basically what this is a 5-in-1 hand blender set, and they actually tell you guys what each one is provided for you guys here. So there's a chopper, there's a beaker, there's a whisk, and the milk frother here as well. And this is kind of like what the product looks like right here. And on the back side right here, they do have some more specs about the product itself if you guys want to take a look. And also on this side as well, there's even more specs about the product itself and what is provided. So let's open up the product first to show you guys what it actually looks like and what comes out the package first. Alright, so when you guys first open up the product itself, this is basically what it looks like inside. So the first thing you guys can see is this part right here. So this is kind of like the blender part right here, or the chopper as well. And then next you guys can see the actual product itself right here. And then next you guys can see that there's this part right here. So this is the actual device. You guys want to plug everything in here to use it. There's a power button right here and also a turbo button right here as well. And that's what the inside looks like right there. So when you guys look at the product itself right here, you guys can see that there is 12 different speed levels. There's a pick whatever you guys need to use. So you will turn the knob right here to adjust it. And they do have this little part right here that's actually hooked on somewhere as well, which is pretty awesome. And then on the bottom, there's more stuff right there. You guys can see that is what it looks like inside. So they provide you guys one of these beaker, and inside they provide you guys the whisk. And also the milk frother option as well. And they provide you guys the accessory right here that you can use for the other products such as the whisk and also the milk frother. And right here they provide you guys the bowl for chopping stuff or blending stuff. And then last but not least, they provide you guys an instruction manual to teach you guys how to use it and all the different functionality that's on here. So let's take a look at this one first. So right here is the measuring cup or the measuring beaker right here, you can see. So it has a measurement on here. The maximum is 700 milliliters. It does have the cushion part on the bottom to make sure it doesn't move around. And this part is actually removable, which is pretty cool. So you guys can clean it really easily. Right here we have the bowl. So you just want to insert the stick in here to use it. And when it's done, just open it up like this. And the blade right here, you can actually remove it so it's easy to clean. And they do have the measurement on here as well. So the maximum is 16 fluid ounce or 500 milliliters is the maximum here as well. When you guys are done, just close it back up and start using it. So when you guys use this part right here, all you guys need to do is just insert this part right here to start using it. And then if you guys want to use this one, you want to insert this one here like this. Lock it in. Put it inside right here and start blending stuff. When you guys are done, just release this part right here. Just like that. And then right here we have the whisk and also the frother right here. So you can see this is what the bottom part looks like. So that is where this one will come in handy. So you guys want to attach this one in here like this. And then you can use either one of these. So you can stick this one in here like this. And start using that one. And then if you guys want to use this one, you guys want to unplug this one and then plug this one in. So just like this. And then plug this one in. So just like that. And then start using it. So that is basically everything that's in the packaging itself. Let's actually activate it and see how it works. So what I'm going to do right now is just plug it in to show you guys whether or not it actually works first. So we have it plugged in now. Let's give it a try and see how it works and how loud it is first. So I just want to press the power button right here and see what happens. Alright, so that's on speed level 1. If you guys want to make it higher, just turn it to the maximum or wherever you guys need to. And then turn it again. Alright, so that's the whisk. And if you guys want to use the turbo mode, just press the turbo mode. Alright, so you can see that turbo mode is actually pretty strong. It increases the speed and gives you guys more strength on that one as well. And then same thing for the other one. If you guys want to use like the whisk or the other products as well, just do the same thing. So if I turn it on turbo, you guys can see that works really, really well. So the same thing for other products. If you guys want to insert this one here, you guys can start using this one as well. So for this one, you guys want to be really careful because it has the blade in there. So you guys don't want to cut yourself or hurt yourself or whatever. And then same thing for this one as well. If I have it in, turn it on. So what's really cool about this part right here that I mentioned for this part here, this one you guys actually use as a lid right here to cover it up. So that way the stuff won't leak out. And another thing that's actually really cool is the fact that all of their products that they use on here is actually stainless steel, so it's really good quality material. And definitely the coolest thing about this whole set is the fact that they give you guys all these products regardless if you guys are whisking stuff, you guys want to blend stuff, chop stuff, frote stuff, you guys can do all of that on here. So let's actually go try this out and probably like blend some stuff or like whisk some stuff and see how it works first. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so I got some smoothie berries right here that we're going to add some milk as well onto the actual blend cup right here. and then we're gonna blend it together. So what first thing I want to do is open up the berries right here and pour it in. Alright, so I just want to pour all of it in. Alright, so that should be good. Now we add in the milk into it just to make the smoothie. So here we go, add the milk. Alright, that should be good. So when you guys blend the product itself, you guys want to make sure it doesn't go any higher than 700 milliliters right here. Alright, so this is basically what it looks like once you guys are done. So the product itself does work. So you guys can use this blender here, or you can use the whisk or the Frother or the other chopping option as well. Alright, welcome back guys. So now I saw the quick test of product itself. You guys can see it actually does work and work quite well. Super easy to use everything that's on the product itself. You guys can see how easy it is to use it and how strong it is depending on what you guys are going to be using it for. Whether you guys want to use the whisk option, the floating option, the blending option, or the chopping option. But all of them does work, and you guys can just get this one device for everything. You guys don't have to get like a separate device for each thing, whether it be for blending stuff or chopping stuff or whatever. But now that we could unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I definitely have to say that this is worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially like how I mentioned earlier, how you guys can get everything all in one, and you guys don't have to buy everything separately. That is definitely really worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have just one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for quick unboxing and testing on the product itself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video, then make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and help this channel out as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.